I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Porsche Taycan. Before we begin, remember that safety is paramount. Always use appropriate tools like a sturdy floor jack and reliable jack stands. Make sure your Taycan is parked on a completely flat and level surface. Engage the electronic parking brake firmly, and for extra security, consider placing wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. This preparation ensures a stable and secure environment for your work. Now let's find those crucial jacking points. Your Porsche Taycan has 4 specific reinforced areas designed for lifting, one near each wheel. These are typically small, rectangular pads or indentations located along the side sills, just behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels. It's essential to use these designated points to prevent damage to the battery or chassis. If you're unsure, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for exact diagrams and detailed instructions. With your jack points identified, it's time to lift. Place a suitable jack pad adapter onto your floor jack, then carefully position it directly under one of the designated jacking points. Begin to slowly and steadily raise the vehicle. Watch closely to ensure the car remains stable and the jack pad stays securely in place. Once the vehicle is at your desired working height, immediately slide sturdy jack stands into position under the reinforced support areas. Then gently lower the car onto them. After completing your work, it's time to safely lower your Taycan. First, slightly raise the vehicle with your floor jack, just enough to relieve pressure and allow you to carefully remove the jack stands. Once the stands are clear, slowly and smoothly lower the vehicle all the way to the ground. Ensure the car is fully settled on its wheels before removing the floor jack. Finally, do a quick visual inspection and store all your tools and equipment properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.